Here in Bala, we're really blessed to have such an amazing group of foster parents in the local area, from different ages, some doing respite, some doing full-time.
You know, we're very good friends. I feel like I'm the grandmother of the group because I've been doing it the longest, and having, you know, different people, different skill sets is really important in a team, isn't it? And I really feel we've got that. You know, if you're enthusiastic, you can enthuse other people as well.
During the pandemic, having that community of other foster carers around you became even more important. You know, the intensity of having the children 24/7 and not having school and so on meant that you needed support even more.
So we really did have to step up as friends, really.
So I was approved as a foster carer during the lockdown, which meant that I could provide respite care for other foster carers. They've been there whenever I had any questions or whenever I felt that I needed support or to debrief after a child has left. I can contact them in any way, email, phone.
They've always been there. They've been the other side of the phone. They meet up with us monthly. I've never felt alone in fostering. I don't think I'd still be fostering if they weren't there, I think.
In the lockdown, a little girl, a 5-year-old girl, came to stay with us. No shoes, no shoes or anything, and yeah, just a little lightweight coat, bless her. And we didn't realise she was coming until that afternoon, so I gave a quick WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp group asking, does anyone have anything, because we've got 4 boys. So by the time she'd arrived, we had flowery bed linen, you know, for her bed, and we had My Little Pony teddies and pyjamas and toothbrushes and clothes and everything all filled. Her room was ready, so it's been a massive blessing to us as a family just to have that community of foster carers around us.
So I'd encourage people to foster with their local authority. The support that you get is brilliant, and it also means that the children can remain in their local communities, which is what we need for every child.
That's one of the things I love about being a foster carer here in Bala, because if children are grounded and if they feel part of a community and they've got people looking out for them, they feel more secure, and it helps with their development and it helps with their growing up and becoming sort of responsible members of a community, because we all need to feel that we belong and we belong to something.
It's a good feeling to be able to give back to the community, to support other foster carers.
And I know it will change your life. And I think, well, it's changed my life anyway.